Good morning, everyone. I'm back, and I'm going to do a small one with very fluid paints again. First off, I'd like to thank everyone that has sponsored in February 2019. Thank you very much. Put this away for the next video. Okay, so what I have is very thin paint. And according to a lot of people, this is way too thin because there's a lot of water in here. And I want to do this, and then I'm going to hang this one outside just to see if this paint does flake off. And I'm not sure, because you know, when you put too much water in your paint, the binders get all messed up. And I normally I would put polymer medium in, just to put more binders in, but this time I'm just using water, and that's what I want to see what happens to it. It might not happen in a few months, but maybe by putting it outside in the weather conditions, it might just make that difference. Okay, now what I'd like to do is, I think I'd like to put the colors in the middle, then put the white around it, and then blow it with a hair dryer, but we'll see about that. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm going to do it in a sort of a wavy motion. And I want a little bit more of the pink. And then the Prussian blue. That's it. Then we're going to put the white all around it, and then I just might add something to it. Now, if you water down your acrylic paint, so you can water it down like forever, as much as you like, as long as you put it on paper, because that's no problem whatsoever. If you put it on paper, the paper will absorb it, and that will make sure that it binds. But when you put it on a canvas, that's a different thing. Uh-oh, I'll show you that later, what just happened. Okay. Let's get some air. Now that is really pretty. Look at those cells. Look at that. But I have an idea that they're not going to stay like that. So we'll just see about that. Just giving it a little bit more. And now I do want a lot of negative space, so I'm going to pour straight over that. Pour it over. See how the cells really break up? That's the thing that I don't like. Look how thin that is. And no. But that doesn't matter. It's just for experimental reasons anyway, so that we can see how this is really going to stick to this canvas, even if we put it outside. I'm letting it flow over the side a little bit. Then I'm gonna pick up some paint here and put that on the side, that it flows straight over. And then I'll put some more white over the side. But I do want it fully covered, just in case, you know, that's something that's gonna work with the flaking, that we have it fully covered. It has something to it, but I'm not really sure what. I want more negative space though. That's kind of cute. A little bit on the corner here. And I'm going to use an airbrush. Oops, that's a little bit too much of air. There it goes. There's just a lot of movement of the paint, a lot, because of the thinness of the paint, and I can see some canvas popping through, so we're going to help that a little bit because we really want to give it a chance to stay alive outside. But this is it. Yeah, this is it. So we got some cells going on. We got some oh, I see a lot of canvas over here. So this is going to turn gray pretty soon. But it's experimental, like I said, so we won't worry about that. There it is. A little bit more in there. And maybe drop a little bit more white because like I said, I want some more of that negative space. There it is. A little bit more. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a link to someone else's channel, because this morning you'd guess I wouldn't be you know, overcome by something because I've been pouring so long, and you know, I've been seeing a lot of pours that you normally, you know, you don't get all excited about something, but the opposite is true. So this morning I saw a really beautiful pour, and I'm gonna link you to it. So watch the whole video, and then at the end I'll link the video I'm talking about. I'll put that in my end screen, and you will be blown away. That is something so beautiful. It's something totally different. Ew, I don't want all that color there. I want more white. There it goes. So I do really like this, although because of the thinness of the paint, I am seeing a lot of canvas. But I guess that's what they mean with the binders or something like that. See over here too. I see some here. Okay. So guys, you don't have to think it's pretty. It's just a lot of just for outside. So we just have some really beautiful weather, so well, I think it is kind of pretty. Yeah, it is. Okay, let's put that one away. You can see how thin the paint is. Look at that. See that? That is really thin. Now if I were to do this on a piece of photo paper, as you can see, it's already really rolling. But I'm going to put some colors in the middle. There we go. A little bit more of the white on top. And now I'd really like to blow it, but I don't want to ruin that. So let's do it here. That is really funny. Look at that. That is pretty. That is really kind of pretty. Only too bad it's so small. Let's see if I could make, maybe I could do a print. I think you guys would love a print. But then it'll have to stay like this. So right now I'm sort of adding whites around so that I can make a print out of it. There it is. Nah, it's moving too much. Now I got one big hole in the middle, which I don't like. Let's see if we can do something like this. See all the cells popping up? Not pretty enough. Yeah, they're pretty wild cells, but not something that I think is really pretty. Here you can already see that a lot is moving still because of the paint thickness. I'll just put this one away, guys. So now I have some room to really do something with the paint. So we're gonna add some color. Add some blue. And then add the white. And then we're going to blow it with a little. Yeah, I don't think that is, I don't like those colors. I think that's it. There's a lot going on in the middle though, if you see there. Look at that. There's a lot going on. Just a little torchy poo, just to bring up a little bit more of the silicone. Way too thin, look at that. Okay guys, I think this is it. I'm gonna clean off the rest. Then I'm gonna come back and do something. Oh, that's kind of nice if I do it really thin. Let's see. And maybe this side. See, this is perfect for just showing how the silicone reacts to the paint. But I don't think it's anything that is worth saving because of the really weird shapes of the cells. Maybe just this bit here, which I do like. Maybe a little bit more pink on top. Let's see what happens when we do that. I just love playing with paint. Can't help it. That is kind of pretty. Only too bad there are those cells in the middle. Not my kind of colors. I'll keep it anyway because maybe just a little bit. Okay, thanks guys for watching. And this pretty much stayed like this. I wasn't expecting that. See that? Pretty much stayed. So thanks for watching. I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to come back with my normal paint and we'll be doing another pour. So see you in a bit.